Good morning. It's Labor Day at our house, and apparently all the children are now Pokemon and are battling each other. We don't use seismic toss on our sister.
Why not? Can I use payday, please?
You can use payday with plastic coins only. So one of mine does not believe in sleeping in, even on holidays that fall on school day or like a school week.
Bad brain, very bad brain.
So she was up at 7:30. So I am getting breakfast out and I am working on coffee. On holidays and school holidays, I let the kids pick whatever they want, and one of mine was like, hey, while it's still hot, why don't we do toaster strudels? And they don't even remember ever having them. We used to have them a long time ago, only on special holidays. They wanted cinnamon rolls, but while it's getting cooler and now it's in the 50s at night, it still gets up to the 80s and 90s during the day, so I don't want to run the oven first thing in the morning. So we found cinnamon roll toaster strudels, and I'm gonna reset this because I don't know if you all ever do this, but I will put this on its highest setting every now and then to basically almost like run a cleaning run on it, especially after I've wiped the top down, and let it run through. But it finished that, so I'm gonna pop some of these in, and we're gonna have leftover bacon from yesterday. My battery died on my camera as we were finishing up breakfast. It's actually dinner time, and I'm just now getting back to the camera, so sorry about that. Right now, we decided that since both of us have been so busy that neither one of us had time to go get propane or charcoal for the grill, we're just cooking everything inside. Then hopefully, here in a little bit, once it cools off a little bit outside, we can go set our fire pit up, do a small bonfire, and let the kids roast the last marshmallows that we have to kind of celebrate our unofficial last day of summer.